Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth for connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and then you can reconnect them. And if you select to unpair, you click on the forget button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select another button. Now let's disconnect them. So I just did it, and as you can see, as I tell you, I stopped Bluetooth connection with them, because right now it's not in my devices. I have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them if this earbuds is not connected with another device and turn on by just tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!